lip smacking, mouth clicking, the bane of my f***ing existence. So, what is it? Hi, these are probably terms that you've heard from your favorite voice actor if you're a big old goofus nerd, you silly little silly. So, what does it mean? Mouth clicks are caused by your slobbery little goober hole, obviously. Your mouth is constantly producing saliva from your salivary glands. This coats your tongue, your lips, your teeth, and surprise, it's made of mostly water. Unfortunately, just like the sock behind your pillow, saliva is sticky. When you open your mouth, it forms strings and suction that snaps. And just like that, recording ruined successfully. So, yeah, hydrate and subscribe or whatever.